this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best day trading Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Firstly, day trading is essentially a system that works by opening and closing various trades in the same day. This strategy requires the ability to respond as fast as possible to developments in the markets. Day trading is usually more frequent and applied to Forex, stock and index markets, although this method of trading can be applied to any market. When looking for day trading brokers, you will require a combination of low-cost trades mixed with an expansive featured trading platform and good trading tools. In this list, we will be looking at some of the top day trading Forex brokers and platforms. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, as well as a day trading beginner's guide that you can follow if you are interested in day trading with Pepperstone. At number 4, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Featured platform for accounts is available on Plus 500's trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to provide a variety of services to suit the needs of various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers popular trading strategies, including day trading, if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in third on our list is Alpari. Alpari is another great choice for your day trading online financial broker. Alpari specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as their very own day trading educational page that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional information in day trading with Alpari. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as an introduction to day trading panel for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 1 on our list of the best day trading brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 day trading Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.